Hi, this is Pranav Thakurta with the famous Mr. Pant, Professor Pant, who was the Pro Vice Chancellor, IGNOU University, Delhi, India. He is an authority in AI and quantum. Sir is with us and we take his help. He is our friend, philosopher and guide also. Sir, we would like to know from you, it is missing from last 2-3 years, how curiosity can be inculcated among the students.
So Pranav, thank you for being here. And actually, you don't have to inculcate curiosity. You ask any young mother, every child of less than 3 years is asking hundreds of questions per day. In fact, formal research shows that children of about 4 years of age ask 400 questions per day. So you don't have to foster curiosity. They are already very curious. Slowly we kill that curiosity by telling them, don't be so curious, just listen to what is being taught to you in school, and if they go to a bigger class, they are prepared for IIT or for NEET or for this or that, and we adults consciously kill the curiosity. If a child asks some such questions in class, the teacher will say, this is not in your syllabus, don't ask this will not come in your exam, and so on. But children by their very nature are curious. Adults can also be curious, and in fact the people who we call scientists and innovators and so on are all curious adults, and that is why they like to think of questions, try to find answers, and even when they make new things, that is their curiosity. Why can't we do it this way? Why can't this be done? Why can't that happen? In fact, Bill Gates once said that all programmers are lazy people, so they don't want to repeat it again and again. They want to write a computer program so that the program will do it again and again for them. So curiosity is inherent. We basically try to kill curiosity because we are not able to answer their questions. And the response to that is to acknowledge that we don't know all the answers, and there are many things which no human being knows the answer to, but the journey of humanity is to explore answers to these questions.
Sir, as from last 3-4 years, students had a lot of things with them, a lot of mixed things. There was blended learning, there was online learning, physical classes are also there. What is your advice to the passing out class 11th and 12th students? Like in all the competitive exams also, the percentage has gone down also.
So actually the thing for children in class 11, 12, even 9, 10th, 11, 12 is to understand that they need not try to comply with the old values. The old values were there, nobody really looks at them. So today nobody cares for your marks, they care for what you know. And therefore that what Pranav said just now, curiosity, and fulfilling that curiosity by learning is what is more important. Also, the new method of learning, to put all these things into one phrase, is active learning. We have so far had a model of passive learning where the teacher, who is a Mr. Know-all, tells you something and you are supposed to listen to him, take notes, etc., etc. Active learning is where you figure out what is going to happen, and you do this with the help of the teacher or parents or your friends, peer group, everybody, and the internet. Putting all this together, you get into active learning. And I want to draw your attention to a very important person whose name is Carl Wieman. Carl Wieman got the Nobel Prize in Physics for demonstrating Bose-Einstein condensation. He is a professor of Stanford University in education also. And he is a great promoter of active learning. And he said, I have not invented active learning, I have not found some Wieman method of active learning, but this is known all around. If you recall, early childhood, all learning happens in the playway method, which is active learning. Somewhere when they grow up, we want to say, now learning cannot be enjoyable. Unless you weep while learning maths and physics, you are not learning. But the whole idea is to change that, put in gamification, active learning, exploration, web quest, all kinds of things. I don't want to make this a lecture on how to do active learning, but the metaphor of active learning is very, very important. That is the way people will go in the future, because there is so much to learn which is outside the syllabus, outside the curriculum, that is the only way it can be done.